Alrighty, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on another beautiful day. In today's video we are back at the abandoned factory. Surprise, right? Yeah, so today it's still windy. We've got a black pile of poo over here, which is awesome. We definitely love to see that. And we are gonna have a look around here and see what they dug out of those big hills when they put them from over there to over here. Why they did that? Honestly, no clue, but we're gonna definitely figure out what is in them today. Well, maybe not completely in them, but we're gonna walk around them and see what's around them, I guess. So let's go ahead and do that and see what we can find. So here we go. I've got my trusty little bucket here. You might have already noticed that's the same stuff that was in there in the last video, but that's because I actually didn't empty the thing and I just went straight back here because we are in the general area for a couple of days, and yeah, now we're here back again. So, oh my god, what is that? Can you see that? No, you can't see that, I'm sorry. I'm gonna tilt you up a little bit. Look on that hill, what is that brown thing? It almost looks like a giant piece of rebar. We're definitely gonna check that out. Yeah, let's go over here for now. Wow, that's interesting. I definitely want to take a look at that. It's probably very windy, I'm sorry. But what is that thing? If that's a piece of wire, I'm telling you, we're getting that out. But I don't think so. I don't think so, honestly. Let's just take a general look around this pile of rubble and see if there's anything useful in here. No, I don't think so. Honestly, people, that looks like a piece of wire to me. Honestly, look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? That might be a piece of wire. We're definitely gonna check that out. It might also just be a pipe, and I'm just getting hyped up for nothing now here, but that actually looks like something that's worth something. Yeah, we're gonna climb up there. We're probably gonna fall down and hurt ourselves, but I'm definitely gonna try to climb up there and see what that is, because that really seems like a piece of wire. And if that's a piece of wire, wow, you know, wow. Oh dang, I've already got shit in my shoe. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my god, people, I really think it's a piece of wire. I really think it's a piece of wire. Oh my god, if that's a piece of wire, let me tell you. Oh, we're gonna get in a landslide here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. That was a stupid idea, wasn't it? How am I gonna get that out? I just wanna take a look at it. It can't be that hard, right? I'm just gonna voluntarily collapse this stuff so that I get a better grip at this. Oh, dang. This is bad. Oh. I mean, it really looks like it's a piece of wire, honestly. But I don't want to die to find out. Gotta be honest with you. What is that? Is that a piece of metal? It is. Huh. We are definitely taking that with us. Okay, I definitely found something here. If that's not a piece of wire, I at least have something to show for it. Oh my god. Ugh. Let's have a look here. Oh my god. People, this is a piece of wire. Look at that. Can you see that? That's a piece of wire. This massive thing there. It is a piece of wire. Oh my god, that thing's gonna be worth in like probably 200 bucks. I don't know how long it is. Oh my god, I really want to get that. I really want to, but I don't know if I will survive it. Oh, this is shit, mate. This is shit. Oh. Okay, honestly, I'm just gonna pull it, okay? I'm just gonna pull it, we'll see if it moves at all. And if it doesn't, you know, we have to abandon it, but I want that. Okay, I've got it here. It's moving, people, it's moving, but I'm moving as well. I mean, look at that, can you see that? Can you see this stuff? Look at that. It's gotta be... Is it aluminum wire? It's aluminum wire, people. It's aluminum wire, and it's... Oh man, and it's armored with steel. Honestly, I don't know if we should take it. This gotta be the biggest piece of wire that I've found in my life. Oh my god. I mean, look at that. Look at this stuff. It's aluminum, it's just aluminum. Oh, that is so unfortunate. I thought it was tin coated, but it's actually just aluminum. Oh well, honestly, people, for that thing it's not worth it. My yard doesn't buy iron alley, so I can't even sell it. Oh, that is such a bummer. That's such a bummer. Oh, that would have been like... Oh, that would have been so much money if that was not aluminum. Oh, that really sucks. But oh well, let's look at the bright side. I just found the biggest piece of wire of my scrapping career until now. So look at how long it goes up this hill, and it's got at least like 5 centimeters, like 3 inches or something like that in diameter. The thing is massive. Look at my foot in comparison to it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Whoopsie daisies. I got it down. It's right there now. I wanted to hold on to it to get back down here, and it just came with me, so to say. So here it is. Look at it. Stuff is absolutely massive. But honestly, I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna take it, honestly. I don't think I'm going to. I think, actually, if you look at this down here, you can see this part here. This, like this stuff, this over here, this is aluminum. So all these big things in there are in fact aluminum. And this here, this part, that is actually copper. This right here, it's just very corroded, but it is copper. So I've got a side cutter with me. Let me grab that real quick. I've got a very nice jacket on it. Now it's very covered in dirt, but oh well, and my shoes are too. But you know, that's scrapping. Anyways, I'm definitely gonna take this piece of copper, and honestly, I'm also gonna take this aluminum. Why not, right? Why not take it all? I'm gonna reposition the camera a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just cutting this off now. And these side cutters are really bad, by the way. So I unfortunately don't have my wire cutters. I don't have a good pair of side cutters. I don't have anything with me here, so this is not gonna be very easy at all. But we're definitely gonna recover some aluminum. Look at that. That's some good aluminum right there. So we're definitely gonna take that, put that in the bucket, just like that. And now the copper, which is the most important part right here. I have to somehow get that off. Yeah, this is definitely copper wire. You can see it. You can see it shining. Yeah, you probably can't because the camera is so small, but I promise you, it's shining through there. So I'm gonna try to... Oh man, that's gonna be hard. That is gonna be hard. But honestly, we are gonna get that off of there. I'm gonna talk to you again when I cut this off. Okay people, we've got it off. Look at that. A nice piece of copper wire. Look at the end. You can see it's copper there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this is the copper part of it. I actually think it's the only copper part of it. Why? Because I think this is the grounding wire for this big thing. I don't know why this big wire has a grounding wire, but it doesn't go inside of it. It just wraps around and is sorted on there. So I think this is actually just a grounding wire. And so that would mean that this is actually the best part of the whole thing. And yeah, that's really cool. So we definitely got that. I'm very happy about that. Got some very good weight to it. So we'll put that in the bucket. And you can see here, I'm going to show that to you again. You can see here, the end of this wire, it's really heavy. It's really just aluminum. This whole entire thing is just aluminum wire, and it's plated with, it's armored, not really plated, armored with steel. So this is some heavy duty industrial stuff, but unfortunately there's just no way I'm gonna be able to take that. It's simply impossible for me. So, you know, I don't even have a car. We're gonna check out the other side of it, but I quickly wanted to take off these little pieces of copper here, because that is actually copper. And we definitely don't want to leave that behind, do we? Definitely not. So we're definitely gonna take that. It's not worth a lot. It's probably not even worth the time to spend on it, but I'm not leaving it here. That's for sure. Look at those nice little pieces of copper. Put that in there. Like, this is definitely not the way I imagined I would scrap my biggest piece of copper wire ever. That's for sure. That's for sure. But we're gonna make it work somehow. Awesome, awesome. Look at that. Look at that, another little piece of copper. Very nice. We'll definitely take that. Now this last little bit. There we go, we'll take a look at the other side. Just right now. Yeah, you can see this thing just goes on. It's like at least 3 meters long. It's crazy. Oh yeah, look at the other side. Man. This is so messed up, and this is just tar, I think, honestly. Oh, you can't even see that, I'm sorry. This is what I'm talking about. It's just tarry substance. It's probably got PCBs in it, honestly, because, well, what doesn't have PCBs in it? But I'm not gonna bother with it anymore. Whoever wants this thing, be my guest to take it. I can't show you the location, obviously, but, you know, if someone knows where I am, go ahead and take it. I'm not going to. I would definitely would if I had a car and I was actually able to sell the bloody thing, because as it is right now, well, kinda can't. So yeah, but look at that. I actually just saw this. I just saw this thing. There's a piece of wire down there. Look at that. Right here. Is that even wire? Yes, look. There's wire in that. So we did get a nice piece of wire after all. Well, we also did get this good chunk of copper, so I'm not really complaining, but yeah, this was definitely an experience, that's for sure. So I would say we'll call it a day here. I think this was a really interesting video, definitely for me. I hope for you as well. I would really love to take this copper wire, copper wire. If it was copper wire, I would definitely take it, but it's unfortunately aluminum, and yeah, I unfortunately cannot sell that stuff. So it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed today's video anyways. If you've got any more questions whatsoever, or just want to say hi, write it in the comments below. I'd be very happy to answer every single comment as always. And yeah, if you want to, you can also rate the video with like a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you might want to do. And you can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and so you won't miss any new uploads of me failing to collect massive pieces of wire. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and until next time.